Let's talk about it. Let's talk about it. Let's talk about it. Jordan 13 Court Purple cannot mess with these. These are hot. These are hot. I think the resale value on these is close to retail because your boy gonna get these on StockX. I knew when these come in, I just knew I was gonna love this shoe. It's your boy T, and I'm back with another banger. Let's talk about the Air Jordan 13 Retro Brave Blue. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Oh yeah, and welcome to Clones TV. Man, your boy hyped about this shoe. Got this for my wife on Nike Sneakers app. Man, your boy did not hit on any raffles, man, when this was released. Hibbit, what we did, Champs, Foot Locker, but even my wife didn't hit. But 9 o'clock Saturday morning, got up, Nike Sneakers app, got these for my wife, and I said I'm not gonna even trip because somebody got them in the house, my wife. So when they recently came in, we opened the box and my mouth dropped. I'm like, man, these are dope. Went on StockX. I said, let me look at the resale value on this shoe because I got to have this shoe. Either way it go, your boy gonna get these. And the crazy thing about it, I just pulled the trigger on the Chili Red 9. I just pulled the trigger on StockX for $295. We're gonna talk about that when those shoes come in. I didn't hit on those, but that's a shoe I really wanted. So what say y'all? Are these hot? Are they trash? Did y'all get them or did y'all pass? Let your boy know down there in the comment section below. All right, I'm out. Peace.